Welcome back, children. Let's recite a poem today. That is on the bus. Alright? So, before beginning, I would like to discuss what is this poem all about. So, this poem is a famous toddler's rhyme. It talks about a bus moving around a town. Moreover, it describes the movements and sounds of various parts of the bus. Alright, so let's start reading. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. So children, in this stanza, the poet describes about the movement of wheels of the bus that goes round and round. Alright, now move on to the next page, that is page number 35. Let's read it. The horn on the bus goes pom pom pom, pom pom pom, pom pom pom. The horn on the bus goes pom 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 all through the town. So children, in this second stanza, it is clear that the poet describes the sound produced by the horn, that is pom pom. So the bus is moving here and there all through the town, beeping the horns. Clear? So children, I hope you enjoyed the poem. Now let's discuss its back exercise. Move on to page number 36. So, read part A. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem. So children, few incomplete sentences are given to you. You have to fill in the blanks from the words from the poem to complete these sentences. Alright? The first sentence is, the dash on the bus go round and round. So, which part of the bus is going round and round? Obviously, it's wheels. So, children, write wheels in the first blank. Now, the second one is, the dash on the bus goes pom pom pom. So now, as you know that this pom-pom sound is produced by horn. So, write horn in the second blank. Then the last one is, the bus goes all through the dash. So, the bus is moving here and there through the town. So, you will write town in the third blank. I hope this is clear. Now move on to part B. Write the names of these vehicles on the correct blanks. Children, there is a help box given to you. You have to choose which vehicle moves on water, air and land. Alright? So, as you can see in the picture, the vehicles that move on water are boat and ship. So write boat. Boat is already written. Write ship under the category of the vehicles that move on water. Then comes the vehicles that flies in the air are aeroplane and helicopter. So write aeroplane and helicopter under the category of vehicles that flies in the air. Alright. Now, the vehicles that move on land, that is train and bus. Is it clear? So children, now move on to part C. Match the objects with the sounds they make. So on the first number, you can see a picture of a bell. So the sound produced by the bell is ding dong. So match part first with part C, that is ding dong. Next is, on the second number, there is a picture of clock. So clock produces a tick tock sound. So match second part with part A, that is TikTok. The last one is on the third number, there is a picture of a telephone. So telephone produces a sound of tring tring. So match third part with part B, that is tring tring. So children, this is all about this poem. I hope you all understood and enjoyed. Thank you so much.